Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Casey. Today we are going to talk about industry standards for rocker switches. Do you know what is it? This video will introduce some of the inspection standards for rocker switches. Number 1. Appearance. There should be no burrs, cracks, scratches, and other losses on the surface of the product. The metal insert of the rocker switch should not be oxidized, rusted, stained, etc. Number 2. Structural dimensions. The overall structure size and installation size should meet the sample requirements and the requirements of the specification. Number 3. Mechanical grounds. The insert should be able to withstand the insertion and removal of the spring terminal and should not be loose or fall off. Number 4. Electrical performance. When the switch is correctly connected to the circuit, it should be able to meet the control requirements and can normally control the opening and closing of the circuit. Only by meeting these inspection standards can products achieve high quality and long life. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye!